In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for your team scheduling. First, let's open up your web browser and head over to calendly.com. The great thing about Calendly is how intuitive and user-friendly it is, making it a fantastic tool for managing your team's scheduling needs efficiently and without hassle. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and click on Login. You'll be prompted to enter your email address next. Type it in and click Continue. This step ensures that Calendly recognizes your account and directs you to the correct user portal for further actions. After you've entered your email, it's time to enter your password. Click Continue once you've done that, and this will log you into your Calendly account and take you to the home page. From the home page, the next crucial step is to go to the Admin Center. By doing so, you gain access to a variety of administrative features that allow you to manage team settings and permissions. Now proceed by clicking on View Team. This section of Calendly offers a dashboard where you can view current team members and make any necessary adjustments to your team setup. To add more members to your scheduling team, click on Invite Users. This is where you input your team members' email addresses to send them an invitation. Type in their email addresses carefully and then click Next, Set Roles. Setting roles is a critical step because it defines each member's permissions and access within your team's Calendly account. Once you set the roles, simply click Send Invitation. This will send an email invitation to your team members, helping them to join your Calendly team effortlessly. After you've sent out the invitations, click on Back to Home. This will return you to the main dashboard where you can continue setting up scheduling features. Now let's configure your event scheduling by going to Event Types. This allows you to create different event types based on your team's needs. Click on Group Event next, which is particularly useful for scheduling meetings that involve multiple team members. For each group event, ensure you click on Invitee Limit to set the maximum number of participants allowed for each meeting. Specify the group invitee limit and make sure it meets the needs of your team. Finally, click on Save Changes. This ensures that all the configurations and settings you've implemented are saved correctly and are ready to facilitate seamless scheduling for your team. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Calendly for your team's